go near my bird.
We got a bird in here.
Every day, people find birds. Like they find pigeons that might be injured, a sparrow that might be hit by a car. Like maybe it's starting. This is New York City. Our main patients are pigeons, and we are actually really fond of pigeons. So last year we had about 6,000 cases that come in, and we would say half of them were pigeons.
That's the kind of poop he had,
Yes?
like very pale green.
Okay.
The blood I saw this morning. I didn't
Okay.
see it yesterday. He also tried to vomit a bit.
So I'll examine the bird.
Not much.
I'll see if
Also
there's any kind of
after he
swollenness,
drinks,
if there's any kind of
seems to
bleeding,
be doing
if the
something.
poop doesn't look right. These are things I'm looking at. The basement and area downstairs is a really small place. That's our main hospital area. You'll see a lot of volunteers. They're all cleaning up cages. You'll see a lot of staff working on birds, like giving medication. Maybe some staff might be giving physical therapy. Other staff might be doing splint change. So it's really chaotic. It's a really small place. But in a way, it's very energetic, and that's one thing that we're really proud of.
What?
Is PM prime?
Can I see it?
Downstairs is where most of the pigeons are. I love pigeons. They're super smart. They're they're really strong. And they know people. They live with us. My wife and I found a pigeon, and before that, I never touched a bird before. Like I never liked birds to begin with. A pigeon changed my life. I'm hoping that other people will have that kind of experience, and it's not from those fancy birds that are kind of sexy looking. The raptors, the eagles, and those are really cool, and I love them. But it's always the pigeons that changes people's attitude.
If you can't fit any up here, just put them downstairs. Okay?